Hello and welcome, it's KB here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook emojis. Yes, for real. So there is a thing called Emoji Kitchen by Google. If you use Google Keyboard app, also known as Gboard on your iPhone or Android, you can actually mix different emojis to create new type of emoji. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use it on a PC. So I have found two websites which allows you to mix the emojis just like Gboard's kitchen emoji. One is kitchenemoji.dev and one is emoji.supply/kitchen. Both of these websites works amazingly, and you can see already I have selected one emoji here. That's why there is the result. So basically, let's say I wanna use this happy smile emoji, but you can see we have different emojis to choose from with same expression and plus added expressions. Okay, so you can see it's doing that thing with the same expression, but we have the hand there and we have, so basically one emoji creates many emojis, and emoji supply actually works differently. Let's say I want to do this, all right, and it shows you different results. Actually, the clown, let's say I want to do this one, so you can see it has mixed up these two things together to make this emoji. Look at this one. Is he happy or sleepy? Who knows? Let's zipper one. This one, confused. You can actually right click on it and save as image, and it will be saved as a PNG. Sadly, we cannot use them as the actual emojis, but you can send them as a picture on WhatsApp, on Discord. If you're on a PC, you're gonna use Discord a lot, so you can use there by downloading the PNG. So it's pretty cool. I mean, this is how you cook the emojis on your PC. Yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.